Hello everybody, this is Eric with A Fold Beyond, and today I'm excited to present the first video of Akira Yoshizawa, A World Through Origami, where I teach you some models designed by Akira Yoshizawa, whom many crown the father of modern origami. In this series, I aim to capture the spirit of Yoshizawa through honoring his folding methods and philosophies on paper choice. I would like to give a special thanks to the International Origami Society for both permission to create the series and for their valuable input on how Mr. Yoshizawa detailed his works. Today's model is an elephant. Elephants are among the most popular animals in the world, having a large impact on cultures worldwide. Today we will take a single piece of paper and give it life as we take Mr. Yoshizawa's designs and dive into their folds. For this model, I am going to use a gray sheet of washi paper, 6 by 6 inches. You can use any square sheet of paper, but I think this color really represents the elephants of the African plains that we're all used to seeing. So to start, we're going to start with the color side down. So this is my colored side, I'm going to face it down. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a valley fold right through the middle here. So we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Unfold, and now we're going to take this top edge right here, fold it to the center line. I'm going to repeat the same thing. We're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the center line. Alright, now we're going to turn the paper over and create another valley fold halfway. So we're going to take this corner, fold it down to this corner. Now we're going to make a judgment fold. This means the fold isn't exactly on any place in the model. What's important is the valley fold is straight and it goes this way. So I'm going to make it about here. So about a thumb's width for me. We're now going to take the model and we're going to fold it in half. From here, you're going to grab the model by what's going to be the trunk. You're going to take this paper and you're going to swivel upwards until these corners are almost to this line. And then press down. Next, we're going to make a valley fold from just above here, so we're going to say right here, and we're going to make it straight, parallel with this line right here. Repeat on the other side. And now we're going to reverse these folds inside the model. Your model should look like this. Oh, you gotta fix this edge right here. Make sure they line up. We're now going to make a valley fold right along here. To do this, I'm going to take a point a little bit more inwards from this bottom corner. I'm going to fold straight along. We are now going to reverse those folds. Now we're going to open the model a little bit. We're going to take this flap of paper, we're going to bring it up into the corners. And just fold inwards. Now we're going to open this back up. We're going to fold this edge to the center line. And then we're going to repeat it on the other side. So this edge to the center line. Your model will now look like this. You will now take this tail and you're going to swivel it down. We are now done with the tail. We're going to move on to the trunk. And what we're going to do is we're going to make an outside reverse fold by taking this flap, reversing some of that fold. You're going to get something like this. Keep pulling upwards until you get a nice angle that you like for your trunk. I'm going to choose right about here. We're now going to do another outside reverse fold right at the tip. To finish the trunk, we are going to open the outside flap like so, and we're going to pull it out, and we're going to reverse this fold. And press it down. Repeat on the other side. So we're going to find that flap. We're going to pull it out and just reverse the fold you just made. Open it up a little bit. Take the tip and fold it inwards. Finally, we're going to make a mountain fold right along the tip here. And we are now going to reverse inside reverse fold. You are essentially done with your model. However, you can add additional crimps, little indentations to amplify the feet, and maybe press down a little bit on the back, smooth it out. And there you have your own origami elephant. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to play around with your elephant. Adjust the shapes and make it your own. That's the beautiful thing about origami. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a like, thumbs up, because hopefully we're going to be doing a lot more of these videos, and I want to make sure that you're enjoying them and learning from them. With no further ado, thanks for watching again, and have a good day.